Have you ever wondered, why are some people always wealthy while others seem stuck in difficulties? The secret lies in mindset and action. Today, we will explore 7 crucial stages that help a person rise from poverty to wealth. These are not just lessons about money, but philosophies that can change your entire life. Watch this video until the end, because each stage contains incredibly valuable secrets. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you find today's topic interesting. Let's get started. 1. Saving. The rich are not miserly. They are masters of controlling cash flow. Saving is not just about stashing away loose change. It is a conscious choice on how to spend, rejecting flashy luxuries in exchange for financial freedom in the future. Here's a short story. 2 friends worked the same job with equal salaries. The first spent lavishly, buying everything to showcase his success. The second spent only on essentials and consistently saved 20% of his income. After 10 years, the second friend bought a house and invested in additional assets, while the first friend was still struggling to pay off debts for depreciated items. Saving does not mean suffocating all joy in life. It is a deep discipline, a silent declaration that I am in control of my money. Instead of donning expensive brand-name clothes or chasing after a flashy car, they choose a simple life full of peace. True wealth does not lie in the eyes of others, but in the tranquility of looking at your bank account. You see, money is like flowing water. Those who know how to build a dam will have a reservoir to sustain them during droughts. Saving is the first brick to construct that dam. But saving alone is not enough. You must learn how to use that flow of money to create additional streams. Don't chase external display or live for the gaze of others. Choose a truly meaningful life where you are in control of your destiny. 2. Managing time, energy, and money. Time, energy, and money are like 3 golden keys to unlocking wealth, but not everyone knows how to use them wisely. The wealthy do not chase busyness to appear hardworking. They understand that working smart is more effective than working hard. They spend time not on overtime, but on planning, investing, and developing personal value. A friend once shared a story about 2 woodcutters. The first worked tirelessly from dawn to dusk every day. The second also worked hard but spent a small portion of his time each day sharpening his axe. After 1 month, the second woodcutter had cut twice as much wood because a sharp tool always delivers superior efficiency. Time is like that axe. If you do not stop to sharpen it with clear plans, you will always feel exhausted and still fall short of your goals. The wealthy do not waste time worrying or comparing themselves to others. They channel their energy into activities that increase value, learning new skills, investing in profitable assets, or creating automated systems for earning money. Money never finds its way to those who wait. It stays with those who direct its flow. A survey found that the wealthy allocate at least 15% of their income to investments and spend twice as much time studying financial opportunities as the average person. While the poor struggle to make money to pay debts, the wealthy ask, how can I make money work for me? When you learn to allocate time wisely, focus your energy on important goals, and guide your money to places where it grows, you will escape the trap of aimless busyness. Money is simply the result of how you manage your life. Stop drifting with society's current. Pause, map out your path, and move forward. Your life deserves to be shaped by your own smart decisions. 3. Financial self-reliance. True wealth does not lie in branded handbags or sparkling watches on your wrist. It lies in the invisible assets you quietly build every day. The wealthy do not chase after superficial luxury to validate themselves because they understand that appearances are fleeting layers that fade with time. True value is what endures. Imagine standing at a crossroads. One path offers an expensive car, and the other presents an opportunity to invest in an income-generating asset. Many choose the glamorous exterior because it brings temporary admiration from others. But the truly wise will choose the investment path because they know the car will grow old over time, while the asset will continue to grow. Financial self-reliance is a discipline of the mind, a place where you let go of temporary desires to aim for long-term freedom. It is when you no longer work for money, but instead, money operates and multiplies on its own due to your past foresight. The wealthy do not use money to polish their image. they use it to create multiple income streams. Do not let the gaze of others steer your life. Choose the calm confidence of someone with strong financial foundations. For self-reliance is not just about owning assets, but about mastering your life. Money earned through discipline will nurture your dreams, while flashy spending only satisfies the ego. 4. Do not depend on financial support from family. Sustainable wealth is never handed over. It must be earned through sweat, determination, and persistence. Most wealthy people were not born with a silver spoon in their mouths. They started from zero, taking each step, sometimes barefoot, on rugged paths filled with challenges. This very process forges a steel spirit and a deep appreciation for the success they achieve. Inheritance is an easily lost gift, while self-made effort is an eternal asset. Those who rely on family support often fail to understand the value of money. After all, what comes too easily disappears too quickly. True wealthy individuals view every dollar they earn as proof of their growth and ability to take charge of their own lives. You may start from someone else's finish line, but without the ability to stand on your own, the ultimate destination will always remain out of reach. Many self-made millionaires have said, "If I lose everything today, I can rebuild it all because I possess the mindset and experience no one can take away." Life is strangely fair. It gives us the opportunity to start over every day, as long as you are brave enough to stop waiting and start moving on your own. See today's efforts as a promise to your future. Do not fear a low starting point. Fear standing still forever. 5. Financial independence for children. The wealthy understand that the greatest gift for their children is not money or unconditional indulgence, but self-reliance, the ability to stand firm on their own 2 feet amidst life's storms. Parents can give their children a vast fortune, but without financial management skills, that fortune will be nothing more than a flickering candle in the wind. Financial independence is not achieved overnight. It is the result of a process of discipline and mindset education from an early age. Instead of fulfilling every desire, the wealthy teach their children that not everything you want must be obtained immediately. They teach their children to save even the smallest amounts, to understand the value of labor, and to appreciate the results they create. This is not just a lesson about money, but also about maturity. A wealthy father once told his son, "I can buy you a boat, but if you do not learn how to steer it, you will forever drift aimlessly and lose your way in life's ocean." The wealthy do not buy everything their children want because they know that easily satisfied desires will kill the drive to strive. Instead, they give their children a fishing rod, teaching them how to catch fish themselves so that one day they can navigate the vast ocean on their own. When children understand that money is not something given, but the result of learning, persistence, and responsibility, they will grow up with a strong mindset, ready to build their own lives. Assets can disappear, but the ability to be independent will never vanish. 6. Seizing market opportunities. Opportunities in the market do not come knocking on anyone's door. They appear silently, waiting for the sharp-eyed to recognize and act on them. The wealthy understand that opportunities are rewards for those who dare to look ahead and patiently take action, not for those who stand still and dream. The market moves like a current, and those who know how to swim with it will reach their destination faster. Take a closer look. In the same scenario, one person sees a crisis while another finds opportunities hidden within the ruins. Many fear risks and worry about losses, but the wealthy accept calculated risks. They spend time researching, learning, analyzing trends, and positioning themselves in the market. They do not gamble on luck, but use knowledge to make decisions at the right time, in the right place, and in the right way. As Warren Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." The wealthy are always prepared to capitalize on opportunities when the market opens up. They do not hesitate or doubt because they know that time is the greatest cost. A well-timed decision can change a lifetime, while a moment of hesitation can cause you to miss a golden chance. Life is a series of opportunities interwoven with challenges. Those who see opportunities in adversity hold the key to wealth. Don't wait for opportunities to knock on your door. Be the one who seeks them out and turns them into a springboard for your future. Number 7. Choosing the right career. Success is not a destination that everyone can reach. It is a reward for those who patiently discover themselves and courageously pursue the right path. Each person's life is like a piece of music, and the right career is the unique melody you create amidst the noisy sounds of the world. The wealthy do not choose careers simply for stable salaries or temporary security. They choose work that aligns with their strengths and passions, where every skill is utilized and every moment is meaningful. They understand that doing what they love makes every workday feel like living fully with their ideals, not a tiring race. There is a saying, choose a job you are willing to do for free, then figure out how to get paid for it. This doesn't mean living in a dream world, but when you find work that blends your abilities and passion, you will naturally develop your skills and become the best in your field. Conversely, taking a job solely for high pay that doesn't suit you is like locking yourself in a golden cage. Money may come, but joy and freedom will leave you. Be brave enough to pause, listen to yourself, and ask, what truly makes me shine? Choosing the right career is not just about making a living, but also about contributing your unique value to the world. Success is not about how much money you earn, but about who you become along the journey. These are the 7 crucial stages to transform a person from poverty to wealth. From disciplined saving, wisely managing time and money, to financial self-reliance, educating children to be independent, and boldly choosing a career aligned with passion and talent. These are foundational lessons to help you build a prosperous and sustainable life. Wealth is not a distant destination. It is the result of small but correct choices made every day. When you begin to change your mindset, focus on action, and persevere on your path, success will surely find its way to you. Remember, your life is not determined by where you start, but by your willpower and persistence. If you found this video useful and valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel to not miss future videos. Share these lessons with those you think need them. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next videos. Wishing you success and wealth through your own efforts.